I bought the MacBook 2 years ago, and after its extended amount of use in serving me in every way possible that it can, it's built up a bit of grime, and I'm sure yours has too. And if you're a dedicated Apple product follower like me, you have found out that simply wiping it down with a wet rag or just water doesn't work. But lucky for you, I found the answer. See, it's not that hard. Unlike a damn hairdresser who can't seem to figure out what a side fringe is, so she gives me a front one. I mean, who does that? And now I have to have it out of my face 24/7. Well, I will see you on Saturday, and I hope you're safe and well. Bye-bye.